Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making epis, which is a beautiful fresh green seasoning from the French Caribbean island of Haiti. It has lots of fresh herbs like parsley, coriander and thyme, but also earthy ingredients like ginger and onion, scotch bonnet as well, some sweet peppers and a little olive oil and bouillon cube or stock cube. To start with, really simple, we just need to chop up all of our fresh ingredients, starting with the peppers. We're going to add that in to the blender. Then we're going to chop our onion, add that in, then our spring onions, then our ginger. I like to use a lot of ginger, so just give that a rough chop. Then we're going to drop in our scotch bonnets. Then we're going to just roughly chop our parsley and coriander here. I've got a nice big fresh bunch. Just going to drop all of that in. Then we want to add in our fresh thyme. Then we're going to add in our garlic. And that's all of the main fresh ingredients. Next, we're just going to add in a little bit of lime juice. And then some vinegar, because epis has a bit more of an acidic flavor to it. So just before we blend, we're going to add in a little bit of water just to help it. And then just blend it until it's a nice smooth consistency. Once it gets like this, we just want to now stream in the oil. So I'm just using some really nice extra virgin olive oil, but you can just use whatever oil that you have. And that is it. That's our piece done. So I've just got a jar here that I've labeled. I'm going to pour this in, store it in the fridge, and it should keep for a few weeks. That's it. So really simple epis. I hope you like this video. Until the next time, peace and love.